ki kubor ki babnya. Kano aktin jong senrop sensyar MDA kong Dr. Amperin Lengdo hakas ni baar ila ong ba Kynhun Myntri kanang ab ya ka Jingai Jingkren jong Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Konrad ke sangma ha ka bedai ba ka jing tmu jong u ban le chenong ba Delhi nagbanta ban Jingkren sapang kimat ki bayadai bat karai nagbanta ban pentrekam ya ki inline permit ILP bat kumju ru ya ka jing thop lang no ya ka tin KHASI bat tin garo ha ka khnit ka bapra jong kriti senchari jong kari India ha ka bedai ba kalentirel ikong lengdo ila ong ba ka jaka sa ngerel hamen di pathar kalawan ra bon kijing mentoy ya karilom garo ila ang bada ka papet kumno karilom garo kalayo mentoy sibon nak jaka sa ngerel hamen di pathar kaladan kijing dan kam ka bakraw ban pulebnya ban tip la kalong na em ka badan kano kijing ma ha ka bedai bat kijing jak klap no kijat benriu harilom garo nak daw jong karel ila kubur ru baki dan bon jat kijing sngo per nak kipat ba ha ka bedai bat kane kamat.
We have seen the railways operate up to Medipathar, and it's important for whoever is objecting to the railways to figure out, are we doing the right thing? It's not for me to decide alone. If left to me alone, it would have been a different thing. But now, look at how Garo Hills is benefiting from the Mendi railway station. We need to be real. We need to really go and study. Is there really a threat to the dilution of our communities in Garo Hills because of the railway? We have to have set missions. We need to focus ourselves. You can't just blindly say, no, this is something you should not do or you should do.